Doing some organizing and cleanup today. Thought these super treasure hunts would snag your attention. They're for an upcoming video, or Mattel sent them actually, so I can compile the supers for Lamley awards and other things later on. Show them to you when I do unboxings. There's some that are upcoming, as you can see. Nonetheless, while I was doing some organizing today, I realized that there's 2 unboxings that I have not posted yet. One, a D-case basic unboxing, and 2, a second Dollar General case that was sent to me by Mattel. I'm going to mesh them together. If you remember, a few weeks ago, Mattel sent me 6 cases all at once. I filmed all the unboxings at once. That's why the timing will seem a little off as I narrate these videos. Nonetheless, enjoy them. D-case has been out a while. Dollar General, I think, is starting to hit right now, so you want to pay attention for those, especially those white Mercedes. All right? Enjoy them. Has it been a while since I've done an unboxing? Yeah, you bet it has. I'd have to go back and look how long it's been since I did a Hot Wheels unboxing. But we're going to make up for that in a very, very big way, because this is the 2022 Hot Wheels D case, US D case with that code. I also have an E case right here. I have an F case right here. I have whatever this is, REC case, and SER case. And I also have this UFD case, whatever that is. I don't know what those last 3 are. All I know is that these 6 cases showed up today. So what I'm going to do, because it's nice out and it's cloudy and I like being outdoors when I do these videos, and oh, we just missed it last week. I was in Moab. I could have done some really cool outdoor unboxings, but we'll have plenty of time to do that later. Nonetheless, I've got these, so I'm going to film them. I'm going to open the D case, hit stop, start it again with the E case and the F case, and go on and on. Open them all up, and I'll post these throughout the week, along with all the premium stuff that Hot Wheels sent me in the last couple of days. I have a ton to do after things being very dry. Why is that? Well, things are taking a while to get over the ocean. We know that distribution has been very, very odd. We've seen these cars starting to show up in stores and kind of like they used to, which is nice to see. Hopefully we are working our way out of this slow time, which is still, COVID related, I'm sure. But, everything's being made up. That's why I see these now, because I work with Mattel, so I get them from Mattel. When they get them over here in the United States, that's when they send them to me, and under other circumstances, because they've been pushing all of these cases out as quickly as they can to make up on lost time. I didn't see these until now. So it just is something. These cases needed to go to the stores. That's what they did. So we're going to work through these one by one. Let's start with the D case. So you get to see an unboxing of a case. I did a D case unboxing, right? I think it wasn't this just standard US case. I think it was the Dollar General case, right, with the white Mercedes in it. So for education's sake, let's open up this D case and see what we've got inside. We'll get all these reminders and we'll just go from there and see what happens. All right. And I'll try and go as quickly as I can. This is the Nissan R390 GTI, and there's the Toon Twin Mill, which is a treasure hunt. I've seen this in store. There's the regular treasure hunt symbol right there on top. Bully Goat, been around a while. The X-Jet and the GT Scorcher. Fun is that I did these videos where I open these all up. Custom 01 Acura Integra GSR in green. There's a blue version for the Dollar Generals. That's the case that I opened. Remember, I didn't even know this existed when I did that case opening a long time ago. There's the Fig Rig and the Subaru WRX STI. Ford Mustang Mach-E 1400. I think we've already seen the recolor, and that's probably one of these cases. Mazda RX-7 and the wheelie chair. There's that little shrunken Batmobile, which is fantastic. A lot of people are picking that thing up. 69 Copel Corvette and the 67 Ford GT40 Mark 5? Yeah, 4. Mazda RX-7 in blue, always a casting I'm happy to see. 68 Dodge Dart, we've already seen this one too. It's the Coupe Clip, which I know has also been very popular. A lot of you have been picking that up. Fusion Busta, that's a new casting. There's the Rally Baja Crawler and the GT Scorcher. By the way, I'll say this since I'm doing this. Another thing that arrived today, there's that Mercedes in red. I love it in white too. Sweet Driver and the Ford Bronco. I also got a special package today full of models that have not been seen yet, and I'm going to showcase those for you later. I'm working with Mattel to do this. There will be ahead of some of the leaks, which is kind of cool. 68 Dodge Dart, Mad Manga, and the custom Ford Bronco. Mock It Go, Ford GT40 Mark IV again, and then the Sweet Driver. Anyway, and the models are insane. Some of them are in total pre-production form, so you'll be seeing those. Okay, Devancinator. There's that Batmobile again, and there's the Count Muscula. And to finish off this first half, another coupe clip. There's the Dream Camper and the Ragin' Express. So that's the first half, and let's take a look at the second. I see that Bugatti that I love. All right, Mock It Go. There's the Perfect Speed and the Rocket Box, which got a little hammered. Subaru WRX STI in black. There's that Ford F100, which has been very popular, and the Chevy Impala. I've got the black version. That's the pink version. Black is a Dollar General exclusive. See Me Rollin'. Nissan Leaf Nismo. That's a nice version. There's that Toyota Tacoma, which I showed an Instagram Reels earlier. I think it was even, I did it on YouTube as a short of me finding the Target cars, and people are asking why I left the Tacoma. This is why, because I pull them for these cases. Leave them for you guys. Hyperfin, Donut Drifter, and the HW450F. I think I have a Target case among these 6 cases. If I do, I didn't know if I was going to get it. That's why I picked up the ones that I found in Target. Copa Corvette, TV Series Batmobile, and the Ain't Fair. Count Muscula Bugatti EB110 SS. Love that car. And then the Ford Bronco. Just love that car. Mercedes again. Acura again. Leaf Nismo again. I haven't seen the car. What's the Super in this case? Is it that one? Is it the, or no, it's the it's this one, right? Yeah, that's the regular. Okay, now I know. So we didn't get the Super, but that's okay. Rocket Box. I was trying to remember because I hadn't seen it yet. Donut Drifter and the Barbie Dream Camper. Eruption, Turbo Shell, and the Studebaker Champ. That's the, like I said, if it's, some of you found it. I got to find that Super too because I love this casting. With the Real Riders. Bronco again, Ford F-150, and the Kickstart. Billy Goat. This is the C-Case Super, right? The Dodge van. Toyota Land Cruiser. That's fantastic. And we'll finish off with the Bugatti, the Blade Raider, and the Silverado Trail Boss. That is your D case. Okay, let's move on to the E case. I'll hit stop, and you'll see that video tomorrow, the next day, whenever. Soon. Bye. All right. Again, I don't know the order I'm going to post these in, but this is the 6th Hot Wheels US case that I'm unboxing. I've done 3 basic cases, and I think this is the 3rd of 3 store exclusives. We know it's a US case. This, well, I already know that but when I'm showing this, I opened 2 Walmart cases, so my assumption is this is a Target case. But I could be wrong. They call it a dash case internally, or a dash mix or something like that at Mattel. But let's see if this is a Target case. Let's see if I'm right. If not, something else, and we'll just enjoy opening it up. Now, if this is, I'm guessing it's the Greenwood and the BMW and everything in red, the Target Red Edition exclusives, plus, I believe, a D case, if I'm correct. Could be an E case. I don't know, but we're going to find out. I think I'm right. No. I am opening up another Dollar General case. See, that's what happens. You just never know. They order it for me, and they might have. I got that Dollar General case so early. I already know it because it's got the white Mercedes. So we're just going to do a second unboxing of this case. We'll see if it's similar. Remember last time I opened, I had no idea what these are, and I had to find out after I posted the video what they were, and it's a Dollar General. Right? No, or is it a GameStop? Oh, no. See what happens when you're... Is it GameStop or Dollar General? I don't know. Let's just open it up. I know that this Mercedes is an exclusive, and you want it. Custom Ford Bronco is also an exclusive. It was originally in red. The Mazda RX-7 is not an exclusive. See me rolling. Yeah, Subaru WRX STI and the Enterprise. Now, what case is this? Yeah, this is a D case. So, what would it be if I found the... I would need to find... Do you see the... Well, there's the regular treasure hunt right there. What's the super in this? It would be the Studebaker, right? I don't see it here, but who knows? Who knows? I don't know if you find a lot of supers in these store exclusive cases. I don't usually come across these cases very often, but there's another white Mercedes. There's the tuned twin mill, which is the treasure hunt, and there's the X-Jet. Chevy Impala is another exclusive. We'll throw that over here. 2 of the white Nissan RX-90 GT1s, which I found in the Walmart cases of Zamak. GT40 again, and Golf, or again, no, Mark IV. There's the tuned Batmobile, which is new to this case, and the Copo Corvette. Now, maybe this is... I don't think the tuned Batmobile was... Alright, we're just going to keep going. I'll figure it out. Mazda RX-7, Dodge Dart, and the Coupe Clip. GT Scorcher, Baja Crawler, and the Chevy Impala once again. Funny how this happens. You just kind of forget, and it's because these haven't shown up in stores yet. They kind of like by accident, a few cases showed up in some Targets, I think. Sweet Driver, Chevy Impala, there's that exclusive again, and the Fusion Busta. So we've got a few of those Impalas. I'm all about those Mercedes. There's another one of the exclusive Broncos. I think that's your set, right? Bronco, Impala, Mercedes. What am I missing? Oh, we're looking for the Acura Integra as well in blue. Mad Manga and the Dodge Dart. Another Ford Bronco, Mustang Mach-1 or Mach-E 1400, and another Golf Ford GT40. Got a lot of these right now. I think we're at 4 Broncos, 4 Impalas, and the Count Muscula. Still no Acuras and no Mercedes, I'm assuming, or 2 Mercedes. There's the Barbie Dream Camper and the Coupe Clip and the Devencinator. So we've seen all these models, and we've actually seen me do these unboxings, but I just don't know. There's another Mercedes. There's another Mercedes. Looking for, I think that's the Acura right there. So, and there's the first one right there. There's the 4th of the set. We are good to go. Wheelie chair and the Mock It Go. There's another one of the Integra, WRX STI, and the F100. I think it's Dollar General, because isn't the GameStop, it was like the, yeah, it's Dollar General. See Me Rollin', Nissan Leaf. There's that fantastic Toyota Tacoma. At least a lot of you really like that one. Hyperfin, Donut Drifter, HW450F. Count Muscula, Copa Corvette, and the Ain't Fair. And a mess. Oh yeah, it's kind of like the guy kind of got twisted up. Another Acura, so we're catching up. TV series Batmobile, the tuned, and the Bugatti EB110 SS. Another Acura, Rocket Box, and the Nissan Leaf. It's all about the Mercedes. All I want is the Mercedes. So I've got a 3rd one of those. There's the Dream Camper and the Donut Drifter. Coming to the end, Bully Goat, Dodge Van, the 3rd mix. That would be the Super, but it's not. Toyota Land Cruiser. No, and this one would be the Studebaker, but that doesn't look like the Super, does it? Doubt it is. Bugatti, Blade Raider, and the Borla Chevy Silverado. And coming to the end, another white Mercedes. That's 4. I think we ran 4 each in this case. Ford F-150 and the Kick Cart. And to finish off, Turtle Shell. There's that Studebaker. We want it in gray with real riders, and then it'd be a Super, but black's still cool. And the Eruption. There we go. I've opened all 6. I think this will be one of the first ones I post because it's an early case. But yeah, we're done. We're done. I'm caught up. It's happy to be caught up. And I'm assuming, because I got another one of these, that Mattel is sending them out. So you're going to see these in Dollar Generals very soon. And I'm assuming it's Dollar General. GameStop, oh boy, it's so hard. When they're Zamex, you know they're Walmart. When they're Red Editions, you know they're Target. When they're these, they're not Kmart. They're either GameStop or Dollar General. And I think Family Dollar is jumping on board with maybe the GameStop? No, or maybe the Dollar General ones. Boy, it's so hard to remember. Anyway, I think these are Dollar General. I'll put it in the notes. Thanks, everybody. Bye.